Hopefully I'll get you better. Me birdie. I saved the little birdie today. His legs broke. Mr. Gray wants him, but no. This is my old bird cage that he's in. He's had some water and some bird seed. I'm trying to get him some worms, but can't seem to get him some worms. Have to go digging. He should be okay on bird seed till the morning. I couldn't leave the wee crater. Hey, mister. Got some worms. Good boy. Yay! One this morning. Yeah. My things shaking. Hey, little one. Sweet leg. You okay? Take you to the vets now. I'll take you to the vets. Career. See if you want any more water. Yeah. String a wee bit. Yeah. Sweet legs hanging. Aren't you gorgeous? Oh, sweet tail is all pipped on. Yeah. My career. I think it's a wee magpie. Wee thing. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want them to put it down. It's such a sin. Like, it's only a broken leg. And for real, if I have to look after it until it's better, I will. Okay, off to the vets. Yeah. You're maybe going to have to come down. this toy out too, just don't want a wee thing. Hello. Hello. Alright, I have to take it to the fence now, so let's go. You're doing so well. You're gorgeous. Are you gorgeous? So that's it. The wee bird is gone. The girl in Fernmount Fates, she took it and said, she says, Dr. Doolittle. I laughed. Dr. Doolittle will come up and take a look at it. So, there's some woman called Dr. Doolittle that takes care of like wild animals whenever cats and stuff get a hold of them. But yeah, that the whole story on how it came about was I seen a black and white cat in my yard yesterday morning, and I didn't look at what it was doing. I just seen its body because I was sitting on the sofa. I was sitting here, and the way the blinds were open, I could see from the bin a wee bit that a cat was in my front yard, and then the neighbour next to me came to the door and said he found a wee bird in my yard, and he put it over in the next neighbour's bushes and trees, and he says he thinks it'll be alright. And I had a shower and I was ready to go over to the shop. Went out the front door to jump in the car, and I had a feeling just to look over at the neighbour's yard, and there was the wee bird flapping its way along the grass. And it was quite quick, the wee thing. I had to crawl under, like really military style, like crawling, and I had to like crawl but jump to get it inside the bushes. So yeah, I think I done my good deed for the day, or for yesterday, or for the week maybe. Cause I've been up since 6:30 this morning, and it's 20 to 10 now. Oh, I just want to go back to bed. Green wouldn't settle knowing that a bird or another animal was in the house. So yeah, he's still not settling. He's running around trying to find it. But yeah, I'll let you go, and that was my good deed for the year, saving a little bird. Anyway, peace out, people.